Alright, so I kind of stole that fan from the girls' room. The girls aren't sleeping there because Andy took over their room.
Yes, he's laid out, like literally, he's slumped on the bed. I don't know how else to put it. Like Chelsea's laid out downstairs. Definitely was about to go to sleep, then I woke her up. I think Janelle left without a trace. I walk upstairs, she's in there. Apparently Rico's in there too. But I'm like, I don't even know where he's at.
It's only 12:24.
We're gonna be the only ones up. They're gonna come in our room unannounced, trying to wake us up. We're gonna get up, and they're gonna be asleep.
Yeah, that happened twice in a row. 2 days in a row. 2 days in a row. But look, check out my man spread. Our room is not hot anymore. Like breakfast. Alright, it's day 4. The girls are attempting to feed chipmunks. What? He just jumped into a hole. Guys, today is beach day. Yeah? Got it. Beach day, beach day, beach day. Andy, you bringing your speaker? Oh, you're right there. Bring it, please. Beach day, beach day, beach day, beach day, beach day. Hey, whose hat is that? I'm actually wearing Kayvon's hat. Weird. Guys, it's been a few seconds, and I got titties.
What part?
Whoa, I can't even see my face. My tits are too big. Brian, look at my hair. It was even before. I don't even know where I'm going. Ooh. Trailer park. Woo. Oh, I started recording 30 FPS. Enjoy. Me and my motherfucking boyfriends at the beach. Bro, let's show that girls we were about to kiss and they won't go after you anymore. What?
Steven.
Some 2 girls went up to Brian. I wanted to like talk to him. My hair curly? My hair's pretty curly. Me and my boyfriend. Brian. Hello. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Hey, we gotta go back and count to get cheese.
We need cheese.
Because Stephanie's making mac and cheese. See, if it was me, they would have asked me.
Look at that.
Hi.
Alright, Brian, what's the plan? You ready to tell the people the plan?
We're gonna fuck.
That's not the plan, Brian. That's not. Alright, the plan is we're going to Dairy Queen. Because the other car, Andy and them, are they there still? They went to 2 food spots without us. Yeah, we went to Tim Hortons today and like...
Finish your food already?
Poutine, yeah. Yeah, so we're gonna go to Dairy Queen without them and get something for Kayvon because Kayvon didn't show up with us. We're gonna get a whole ice cream cake for Kayvon.
If you were in Konoha, who would you be? Or would you be yourself?
I'm the next gen Trudaki, bro.
Which tail?
I'm all tails, bro. I'm the 10 tails.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna fart when we get to the window.
Mustard ball.
I'm gonna make sure to condense my cheeks, not spread them so they hear it all. The vibration of my cheeks clapping on every push of the fart. That was my mouth. Now this is my butt. I'm kidding. We're doing the ice cream test.
No.
Fucking trees are in the way. Goodness. It's dinner time. My goodness. Okay, so I forgot to record the conclusion to that day. I didn't record anything that happened after that, and the day after that we left. All I recorded was a bunch of B-roll on the way back home. So this is a really jarring ending to the vlog. But yeah, that's it. That's all we did. Bye.